Hey, it's Tim, and I often have to learn and play songs really quickly. So I'm going to give you my 4-step system about how to learn and play any song in 10 minutes, okay? All right, step 1, be as familiar with the song as possible moving forward. So if you know that you need to learn a song, start playing it in your car when you're driving around, play it at home when you're cleaning up, etc., because you just want to get as familiar with the song as possible. That's just a huge step forward. Okay, step 2, go to somewhere like ultimateguitar.com and go and find the chords and lyrics for it. So for instance, if you wanted to play the song Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles, we found it, here it is. You can either play it straight from the site, or you can copy and paste it and put it into your own document and format it up so it looks kind of nice. And so that's step 2, is just find the chords and lyrics, because that's what you need to be able to play the song. Step 3 is pick whatever playing pattern you want to apply to the song. So for instance, this is a decent playing pattern that we could use for this song. It goes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's just something that you can repetitively do, and when you apply it up to speed, it sounds like this. I like the way sparkling earrings lay against your skin so brown. Okay, like that. So specifically giving you a pattern like that, because that way you don't have to think about it. Yeah, you can change up the pattern of what you're doing, but by just taking that pattern and applying it, you can play the whole song like that, and then your brain doesn't have to think about it. And step 4 is to add fills to it, because you don't want to just keep doing that the whole song. It would start sounding kind of repetitious, so you can add fills. So one of my favorite fills for this type of song is this. In the D, you go like this. So all you're doing is playing the 2 and the 5 of whatever chord you're playing, then you play the 3, and then if you have time, back down to the 1, or you just go like that, either like that, or... And so you can throw that in. So that's an example of a fill. There are other fills, and that's the whole point of the Piano Genius training, is you go over there and you grab a bunch of fills, grab a bunch of playing patterns, left-hand patterns, right-hand patterns. You can apply to just about any song, okay? So let me play that again. I'll just kind of add that fill in a little bit, all right? I like the way sparkling earrings lay against your skin so brown. Okay, so that's the song. I just gave you one pattern that you can use and one fill you can apply, and with that you pretty much can play the entire song, okay? Let's do a completely different example. Let's say you wanted to play Billy Joel, My Life, okay? So again, we go to Ultimate Guitar, we pull it up, we take a look. It's also in D. So here's a fun pattern for that for the left hand, is playing 8th notes in octaves like this. So that's a good left-hand pattern for this song, and the right hand just kind of plays whatever chords you're seeing and just kind of play when it feels like it ought to be there. So by following these chords and lyrics, it would go like this. Got a call from an old friend who used to be real close. Said he couldn't go on the American way. It's early in the morning. I don't have my singing voice on yet. So anyway, that is what you would do for that song. You got the chords, you got the lyrics, the playing pattern. The left-hand 8th notes is really fun for certain songs, because that's all you need to do. It pretty much carries the whole song, and then you can just sort of play chords up here when you feel like it. And again, that's a way to just pretty much go from nothing to being able to play that song in a rudimentary fashion all the way from start to finish in 10 minutes. And again, you can delve into it more and start adding different things, but with just those basics, you can go off to the races and play pretty much any song in 10 minutes. If this kind of thing is exciting for you, and I think it should be, check out more of my videos here on YouTube. Go to pianogenius.com and check out more of the stuff there. It's really good stuff, and basically you learn one thing and you can apply it to 100 other things. That's the whole goal. I never want to spend all day learning one song, and I never learned anything from that I could apply anywhere else, Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching.